This is my 1968 Dodge truck. This is the interior. AC. Shifter. I've always liked the way that looked. I recently bought this windshield. I took this off of I believe it was a 69. Great condition. I didn't know that when you take a windshield off, you're not supposed to lay it flat down, which I had 3 big blankets wrapped around it, but still it wasn't enough to protect it. And now 20 minutes later, after I took it off and got home, seen that big old crack there, which now doesn't do me any good. I had purchased this windshield for $20 at a junkyard that has a fixed prices on all their parts. Any windshield off any vehicle is $20, and I took this off of a 1969 Dodge pickup in great condition. But like I said, 20 minutes later after I got home, I found these 2 cracks, which is, again, it kind of sucks because now it's no good to me, which now I have to probably spend about $200 to $300 on a new windshield. I found these emblems, which if I remember correctly, I probably paid about $2 a piece. I got that one and this one, which I don't need them for my truck because these aren't the correct emblems for my truck, but still they look so nice, man. I just couldn't leave them on that Dodge. I went ahead and got them. I took this battery tray off. A little rusty, but I can clean that sucker up. I found 2 hood hinges. Driver's side mirror post. A front grille turn signal lens. And I believe this here is a windshield washer reservoir. I've never seen one on a pickup truck like this before, but it was actually on it, on a pickup that I've seen at the junkyard. So I'm hoping I can find use for that one on my pickup truck. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Dash is all in great condition, no cracks. Well, yeah, I found this rearview mirror off of a 1967 Dodge at a junkyard. I got this for free. They didn't charge me for it. Real good condition. Real good condition. This is the interior of my Dodge. I found this piece here also at the junkyard, which, to be honest with you, the junkyard, man, they didn't even charge me for this. So I'm gonna see if I can try to find a way to take that glass off of there and put it onto this one. We'll see. I don't know if you can. It's a 1968 Dodge. Custom. Rear view window, great condition. Body's in great condition. Tail lights, original tail lights in great condition. That's an original bumper. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but this pickup truck originally came from Waco, Texas. Waco Dodge. I'm not sure what that says. It says Roughneck. I don't know if that's the name of the company that made the bumper or not, but it's originally from Waco, Texas. Like I said, the body's in great condition. The trim is in really nice condition also. Top looks great. The chrome on the truck looks really great also. I've always liked this style of mirrors. I don't know why, but it looks pretty neat. I'm gonna keep those. Like I said, the trim is in great condition. Dodge 100. Windshield is all messed up, but oh well. I'll end up getting another one soon. Let's look at the inside. This truck originally had a 318 wide block, which my plans is to put a 360. Might end up getting a new transmission for this also. I'll be needing a new radiator. This is what it looks like. A 1968 Dodge. battery tray I got from the junkyard will fit perfect on this one here. So, I'm having a little trouble with my hinges. For some reason, my hood's not closing properly. I know there's a bolt missing on that top one right there, but I doubt it. That's what's keeping it from closing properly. I tend to have like a 1.5 to 2 inch gap at the rear. See, 2 bolts missing here, and see on the inside, and that bolt missing there. But again, like I said, I don't think that's the problem. Not sure. See, it's closed. I'm not sure as to why. It's closed there. But then again, look at the gap that I have. And this is driving me crazy. See? It's not closing properly. I'm not sure what the problem is, so if anybody has any ideas up there, please let me know. Please let me know. The grill is in perfect condition. I do have to replace that bumper. Dodge letters are in great condition. Man, I sure do love the way that hood looks. I've always loved that design. Looks pretty neat. Looks badass.